Today, we're going to build the K9 from Doctor Who using 12 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
The base of our K9 unit is just going to be this plain 2x4 plate. And in the back of that 2x4 plate, we're going to get a 2x2 sloped brick and just put it on those back 4 studs like this. And in the front, we're going to get a plain 2x2 brick and put it right there. And now we've kind of got the body of our K9 unit. Now on top, we're going to get a, let's see if I can find it, the 1x2 jumper plate and put it across that back studs that is the slope brick. And then in the middle of those 2 studs, we're just going to get a plain 1x2 tile piece and put it right there in the center. And in the front, the last 2 studs exposed, we're going to get a 1x2 jumper plate again and put it right there. Now to build the tail of our K9 unit and its antenna, we're just going to get this little lever piece, put it on that back stud of the jumper plate, turn it the right way, and there we've got our little doggy tail. Now in the front, to build the head, we're going to get a round 1x1 plate and put it right down the jumper plate, and that's going to be its neck. On top of the neck, we're going to put this 1x2 plate right there, have it facing forward. And then on that back stud, we're going to get a 1x1 plate and just put it right down the back stud of the 1x2. And then in the front of the 1x2, we're going to get a 1x1 tile piece and put it right there on top. And that's going to be the nose of our K9 unit, or the snout. And on top of that, we're going to get a 1x1 tile with clip on top, put it there on top of the stud, the back stud, and you've got the ears. And here we have a completed K9 from Doctor Who.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.